I have a deep appreciation for individuals who can look at circumstances, look at people and tell them no and not feel bad about it, right? Because for me, while I can tell you no, the guilt that comes with that sometimes causes me to second guess myself, causes me to feel bad, causes me to wonder like, oh, if I had adjusted here, then maybe I could have made accommodations, etc., 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 right? And for me, that's coming from a place where I want to see persons being the best versions of themselves, having the best, having the best outcomes for themselves, and for the future. That's where my heart is. But today, I had to walk away from a particular individual. And my heart really wanted to push and, help to get this person to the place that they needed to be, right? Where they just could be better for themselves and their family. But at the end of the day, I had to just accept the fact that people have autonomy and people have agency over their own lives. And the truth of the matter is, I'm not sent to save the world. And that's my message to you today. If you're like me, right? We all have a little corner of the world where we're supposed to shine from. We were all given a particular task to do, right? And God has given each of us grace to do what He has purposed us to do. And we are going to be more effective in the place where God has placed us, using the grace that He has given us to do that task. We're not supermen, we're not superwomen, right? We are never called to do it. We can't carry the world on our shoulder. And what that means is that there are some people who you're gonna have to leave behind. There are some situations that you're going to have to walk away from. Essentially, there are times when you're going to have to say no. And the challenge for that sometimes is to deal with the emotions and the guilt and the stress that comes with doing that. But when you get to the place where you recognize that where you're supposed to be, the work that you're supposed to do, and then you have the ability to just walk away from whatever else is there, right? Let's call it noise, whatever other noise is there. Once you are shining in your corner, that is empowerment. And when you are doing that, then the effect, the impact that your work is going to have on other people is going to be greater. So, you in your small corner, I in mine, doing what God has called us to do, shining our light from there, right? Saying no to the stuff that we can't handle or we're not supposed to be handling, and just know that, hey, and not everybody can save. You can save, and it's okay to walk away from things. It's cool. See you next time. Bye bye.